Today we're making a Wish Mystery-inspired treetops treat, complete with edible trees. You will need a microwavable mug or container, 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of chopped chips, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of canola oil or similar, and 1 drop of vanilla essence. Then pour your ingredients into a bowl and mix them together. Leave the chopped chips until last, as we're planning to put them on top. Okay, we're ready to put our mug cake into the microwave for 1 minute. Next, we're gonna make our edible trees. We've got pretzel sticks, some ready-to-roll fondant, and green food colouring. If you can find green fondant, then that's great. Otherwise, mix your green colouring with your fondant. Then, mould your fondant into the shapes of trees to put onto their pretzel stick trunks, and leave aside to set. Next, mix some green food colouring with your shredded coconut. This is going to make our grass. We've also got choc chips and granola. Mix your chocolate and granola together. Put those together in a microwavable safe dish and microwave it for 40 seconds. Once combined, you can spread it over your cake base to make our super textured dirt layer. Sprinkle some green food colouring with your shredded coconut on top of your cake base, and then it's time to plant your trees. And you're done! A treetop treat that looks like it could be right out of Sanctuary City. See you next time!